Hello friends, today I will be sharing with you a business opportunity that can change your life. A business with the help of which you can earn a great income. A business with the help of which all your dreams will come true. A business that anybody can do. Be it a student, be it a housewife, or be it an employee, anybody can do it. It is a kind of business that you can do part-time as well as by spending only 2 or 3 hours per day you can earn a very good income. Friends, this business has changed people's lives. In the next 10 minutes I will be explaining you what this business actually is. These 10 minutes can have a great impact on your life, so watch this video till the end. This business is not only happening in India but all across the world, and it has been running successfully for the past 100 years. This business is a part of an industry which is $1 billion industry, and it is an industry that produces millionaires every year. So before telling you guys about this business, I want to show you all some actual proofs. These screenshots are the payment proofs of the people who have actually generated amazing incomes in this business. This is Mr. Shivam Goswami. He started his business as a college student. He built the business part-time, and by the end of his graduation, his income touched 5 lakhs per month. This is Mrs. Shibani Mohanty, a housewife who is now earning more than 9 lakh per month. This is Mr. M.D. Moen. Before starting this business, he used to stitch clothes and sell them at the railway stations. But today, with the help of this business, he is earning more than 5 lakhs every month. This is Mr. Bhabagrahi Majhi, who is physically handicapped but mentally strong and earning 15 lakhs every month. If they can do it, you can also do it. So friends, let's dive into the concept of this business. But before that, let's have a look at what the great people and the millionaire motivational speakers like Tony Robbins and the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad book, Robert Kiyosaki, has spoken about this business.
What's beautiful about network marketing is you get all the benefits of being an owner without all the headaches and without the same level of risk. I'm a big fan of network marketing, always have been, and you continue to grow your skill set.
So I'm a tremendous believer in network marketing, and I'm a great believer in entrepreneurs.
The reason Kim and I endorse network marketing is because unemployment keeps going through the roof, wages keep coming down. That's why we endorse it.
There are possibilities, there are opportunities. Are you prepared?
With this, you should have understood the true potential of this business, and this business provides you an opportunity of being an owner without all the headaches. So now let's have a look at the model of this business. Simple. In order to do this business, you should become an individual person like Virat Kohli and Shah Rukh Khan. You haven't. Understood, right? So let's have a close look at what these people do. As you know, Virat Kohli, the most popular Indian cricketer who earned the hearts of millions of cricket fans all over the world. Through his cricketing skills, Virat Kohli has built a network of people that would follow him and love him. So now he's cleverly monetizing all this network of people who love him by endorsing various brands and earning crores and crores of money through advertisements like Puma, Volini, MPL Mobile Premier League, etc. Similarly, Shah Rukh Khan, the most popular and highly influential actor with millions of fans. Through his acting skills, Shah Rukh Khan has attracted all the movie lovers and created a separate network for him that would follow him and die for him. And therefore, he is endorsing various brands and making money through that network, such as Big Basket, Byju's, Fair and Handsome, etc. So what you need to do? Simple. Approach the people online and create your own network of people that would follow you and trust you. Through that network, you can earn lakhs and lakhs of money by doing the word-of-mouth advertisement by recommending and suggesting the products. And the company that's providing this opportunity is Vestige Marketing Private Limited. Yes friends, Vestige. Vestige is an Indian direct selling company that started on 2nd June 2004 in New Delhi. The company started with 2 health products, 2 offices and 6 distributors. But today, the company has over 300 plus health products, 2000 plus grocery and FMCG products with 45 branch offices, and over 1 crore 30 lakhs plus distributors have already joined Vestige. So friends, let's see what is the difference between Vestige and other companies. As I have said, Vestige is a direct selling company. All the products of this company are directly sold to its distributors at the distributor price. Take for instance the product of a normal company, example soap. The manufacturing cost of a soap is 25 rupees only. But when it passes through the whole chain of distributor, wholesaler, retailer and advertisement expenses, the same soap was made available to the consumers at 50 rupees. But since Vestige is a direct selling company, it is eliminating all these chains of wholesaler, retailer and advertisement expenses. And by making its consumer as direct distributors, it is providing all the products completely at the distributor price. So now let's see how you can earn money in Vestige. Vestige is providing the opportunity to earn money for you in two ways. One is retail income and the other is the business income. So let's talk about the retail income first. On an average, a family in India spends about 4,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees every month on groceries and FMCG products. But for example, if you buy the same products from Vestige, as there are no wholesalers, retailers and advertisement charges, whatever the products you are getting from other shops and supermarkets for 4,000 rupees, you can get the same quantity of products from Vestige for just 3,000 rupees only. Yes, my dear friends, by doing this, you are saving 1,000 rupees every month. As well as the company was also providing free discount vouchers. Say for example, you took products worth 3,000 rupees continuously from Vestige for 4 months. On the 5th month, you will get products worth 2,500 rupees absolutely for free. Yes friends, the company would provide you 2,500 rupees worth free bonus voucher on the 5th month, where you can just take your empty bag and get all the products for that month. So total put together in a year, you are almost saving 15,000 rupees and generating a retail income of 15,000 rupees every year by just changing the shop. So in order to generate this 15,000 rupees retail income, you need not to pay any distributor registration fee. Because the registration fee is absolutely zero in Vestige and anybody can become its distributor. But this registration fee of zero is limited only for a certain period of time. The second way you can earn money is the business income. This is where you build a network and people in your network will follow you. For example, you joined Vestige today and the next 20 days you have joined 15 people under you. Those 15 people on an average joined another 15 each under their network during the next 20 days. The total comes out to 15 into 15, that is 225 people. And those 225 people during that coming next 20 days joined another 15 people each. So total 225 into 15, that is 3,375 people. So by the end of 60 days, in total you have 15 plus 225 plus 3,375, that is 3,615 people under your network. And those 3,615 people buy the products worth just rupees 500 from Vestige, then 3,615 into 500 will be 18,07,500 rupees. You will produce a turnover of 18 lakh rupees in 60 days. And the business volume comes to 18,07,500 into 18 by 30, which will be 10,84,500 rupees. And the company will pay you 11% of the business volume, which is 1,19,295 rupees. So friends, in a span of 60 days, by working just 20 days, you are creating a business income of more than 1 lakh rupees from Vestige. Many people think that people doing this business are nothing but salesmen and sales dealers. If you feel so, then all the brand ambassadors like Virat Kohli, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, MS Dhoni, Ranveer Singh, Deepika Padukone, Anushka Sharma and Priyanka Chopra are nothing but salesmen and sales girls. So friends, clear your mind and be open to this business opportunity. Moreover, to do this business, we don't need to change whatever we are doing from the childhood. We just need to do the same. Example, when we watch a movie in theater and fall in love with the movie, what do? We recommend that movie to our friends, right? Similarly, if we went to a restaurant and felt that food was very delicious and tasty there, we would definitely suggest the name of the restaurant to our family members and friends, isn't it? We all like to spread what we love. It is a very basic thing in our human nature. In the same way, once you use the 100% pure and organic FMCG products of Vestige, you would definitely love and recommend it to all the people in your network. So friends, be open-minded and chase all your dreams by achieving luxury cars and your own houses by building the network and monetizing that network with the help of Vestige. Vestige wish you well.